Welcome to Learn English Practical 24/7 with Harvey.
What do you do to help you concentrate?
To enhance my concentration, I often resort to playing classical music softly in the background, as it soothes my mind and minimizes distractions. Additionally, keeping a clean and organized workspace sets the right tone for my brain to focus. These strategies are crucial, especially when I am preparing for important tasks or meetings. To resort to. It means to turn to and adopt a course of action, especially an extreme or undesirable one, as a solution. We have an example. When all else failed, he had to resort to borrowing money from friends. To minimize distractions. It means to reduce or eliminate interruptions or disruptions that affect focus and productivity. We have an example. To minimize distractions, she turned off her phone and worked in a quiet room. To set the right tone for. It means to establish the appropriate mood or attitude for a situation or environment. We have an example. Playing calm music helps to set the right tone for a productive study session.
What do you do to help you concentrate?
One effective method I use to bolster my concentration is practicing mindfulness through short meditation sessions before starting a task. This helps clear my mind of clutter and primes me for extended periods of focus. I also ensure regular hydration, as it plays a crucial role in keeping my mind alert. To bolster my concentration. It means to improve or strengthen my ability to focus. We have an example. Drinking a cup of coffee in the morning helps to bolster my concentration for the day ahead. To practice mindfulness. It means to engage in techniques designed to focus attention on the present moment, often to reduce stress. We have an example. She takes a few minutes each morning to practice mindfulness, which helps her stay calm and focused. To prime me for extended periods. It means to prepare and make ready for long durations. We have an example. Doing light exercises before studying helps to prime me for extended periods of concentration.
Well done. Get ready to unlock your English potential. Subscribe to Learn English Practical 24/7 for regular updates and dive into the world of practical English learning. Thank you very much.